Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to do something that Janice did on her channel. I do not know when it is going to be up. It will probably be up soon. It will probably be up before mine is up, and it is a 5-minute den challenge where I have 5 minutes to design my den. And yeah, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my den right now and also go here and go to Google Timer. Put up my... So we're going to type in timer for 5 minutes. And I'm going to put my headphones on so I can hear when it goes off. And it's starting now. So I have... Oh, dang it. Hold on. I need to reset it. Yeah, because I need to go to a whole new den.
I use the small den because I'm going to do parts.
So I am going to go to one of my small dens. I'm going to go to the small den where I used for a store. Yeah, so I'll be right back when everything is cleared out. Okay guys, so it is cleared out, and as you can see, we have a guest. And if you don't know who that is Janice. So yes, so I am about to start the timer, so I'm going to be focused on this area, and you really can't see Janice, so I am going to start the timer now. I'm not over there.
What is your theme?
Hippo.
Really?
Yes. My theme is hippo because basically animals. How big is this? Okay. So I'm just taking some animals and putting them on the podium.
And you're welcome, by the way, for that podium.
Oh my god.
I gifted her that podium, guys.
Yeah, Janice, I really like this, and
it's beautiful.
I'm actually going to put it out here, I guess.
Because it says first, second, third. Because first,
second,
bronze is third, sadly.
Yeah.
I wish I would do it in like a row, but then I like this one being in the middle.
I'll go for peacock.
Why don't you do which animals you like most? Like the top 3 that you favoritive. I'm not a big fan of the hippo. I just don't like hippos. Well, I do. I give that to you. I'm saying you should trade for a different one. Because that's hard to match with. I'm saying.
Yeah.
Just because I can't help it. You didn't know what I was doing, so I'm just like, oh.
Put a telescope so you can see animals.
Bird watching.
Pet TV.
You can go animal watching. I have that table.
What? The hippo table?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, go on.
I'm gonna do a little practice. I don't know what I'm gonna do though. I'm not gonna.
It's... I'm gonna put this in here. And I'm actually gonna put
And John
the
will
jug.
So I'm going to.
1,000,000 golden
I'm just gonna tell you about updates. Hopefully, I'm gonna do on this channel.
for 2
I'll do
million
a
for
practice
those
video. I don't know what I'm doing.
3 million.
Oh, I want to move that. See, jug.
Minnie.
Then I'm going to be just going around trading people and stuff just because I'm bored and
True fact, guys, this hamster was my first pet. So, yeah. Let's see if I have any koi paws.
I bet you I could probably get this if I had a headdress.
Yeah.
I'm willing to trade a betas. I don't have that many betas.
How much time do I have left? Oh, 54 seconds. I gotta think. Quickly just, okay, let me put that.
Maddie, I'm seriously about to trade her so much stuff. I'm not trading my. I don't know, should I do it?
What?
Trade her my rare claw machine for a black spike. Oh god.
What are those things called? The Egyptian cats?
Just type cat.
Oh, no. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time. Come on. Okay. And the timer went off. That's really annoying.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is my den. I'm gonna turn into an owl real quick, and Janice will be scoring me out of a 10.
She's like, I have a slight chance I could get it.
Okay, I'm gonna turn into my. Where's my owl? I think it's at the top. Yeah. Just so we can see.
I have a
like,
slight
look at
chance
you.
I can get this thing.
Okay, here.
Okay, so let's see this, guys. Whoa, that's weird.
Yeah.
Okay, so wallpaper. That wallpaper. That kind of sets off a little bit, but okay.
Well, because animals are in outside, and that's like the night sky. Duh, there's stars.
Yeah, but what? But
Whatever.
I saw a wallpaper that was.
Okay, whatever.
Just let me show you. Okay, so. Okay, maybe there's a point off for that. I'm sorry. Okay, the skunk. Why are you. Just why? Why would you put a skunk in there?
Because it's an animal. And
It's 'cause-
it's an animal themed.
Yeah, but the thing is it's gonna stink up your den. You didn't think about that. Well, you kind of didn't put anything outside either, so.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, well. Okay, so you did closer to the house. Okay. Okay, so a fancy telescope in the area that it's in, it doesn't really go with it. Maybe if you put it outside, like right here, it could look like you're spying in on its habitat, but like right there, it's just looking up at the sky, not animals. And then hippo, that's okay. The hippo table, that's just in the middle of everything, so just why? I would have put that like right there or something, or put the telescope on it or something. I don't know. 6.75.
6.75.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay, guys, so I got a 6.75. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be tuned for another video like this. This might be posted before or after Janice's. I will be leaving a link to Janice's channel. I will be leaving, you can click on my character to go to Janice's channel. And I will also put in the description below, if you can't click, if you're watching on a phone or something like that that you cannot click on, I'll put it in the description below, and I'll also put her channel and the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!